Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the unboxing and the review of new Lenovo A7000, which I got from flipkart.com, and I just got it from a flash sale from Flipkart. So before I just unbox the cell phone, I want to tell you about the contents of this cell phone which I get in this box. These are the one battery, one travel adapter, charger, one USB cable, one earphone, and a quick start guide. The RAM of this cell phone is 2 GB, as you can see over here. The memory is 2 GB, and 8 GB is the internal memory, which is expandable up to 32 GB. And if we talk about the camera of this cell phone, then the rear camera is 8 MP autofocus with LED flash, and the front camera is 5 MP fixed focus. And the front camera is a selfie camera, which is a very good part of the cell phone. And it's a dual SIM cell phone which supports the mini SIM. And the battery power of this cell phone is 2900 mAh, which is really good. One thing we just get from this cell phone is the Dolby Atmos feature. This is really a very good thing in this cell phone, which we are getting firstly in any cell phone. Dolby Atmos is really a very good sound quality which you will get from this cell phone. And it's a 4G LTE, so it supports 2G, 3G plus 4G. And okay, let's start with the unboxing of this cell phone. So here we go. Okay, so here's the handset. Okay, this is 5.5-inch large screen handset. Okay, it looks quite good. Great. Okay, we'll talk it about later. Let's start with the accessories which we are going to get in this box. Okay, so what's this? Okay, yeah, here's the okay, it's a quick start guide and the papers. Okay. Warranty card and all these papers. Okay, all right. Okay, that's the one screen guard in this box. Screen guard of the cell phone. Okay, that's a good company. It's a battery. Well, let's start with this. Okay, this is the battery of Lenovo A7000. This is 2900 mAh power, which is really very good. And I think it will last up to 24 hours to or more than that. Okay, yeah, it's the USB cable. Fine. USB cable is okay, it's really good. Alright, what's next? Okay, it's the earphone of the cell phone, and let's check about it. So here's the earphone which I got in this box, and I must say one thing, that the earphone quality is not really good, and it's really of plastic, and there's no rubber or something like that over here. And it's 3.5 mm jack, but the quality of this earphone is not so good. You can buy it from market only just in 50 bucks or so. So I don't think it's really very good quality. And what else we are going to get in this box is it's okay, travel adapter, so charger. Great. We have to connect it with this. That's it. So let's start with the cell phone first. Okay, before I just start it up, inserting battery, I want to show you about the handset specifications. Here's a 5.5-inch large screen, and it's the HD screen with IPS technology. And here's the 8 MP rear camera with dual flash. We are going to get dual flash in this, as you can see over here. It's the dual flash with the rear camera, and the front camera is 5 MP. And here's the start button and the volume bar. Yeah, one thing I noticed in the cell phone is the charging slot, which we normally get on the lower part of the cell phone. We get it over the upper part of the cell phone. So it is something different from the others one. And here's the that earphone jack, 3.5 mm. Okay, so let's start it up with inserting the battery. So here's a battery, and okay, I'm going to insert it inside it. This is a dual SIM battery, dual SIM cell phone. As you can see over here, the dual SIM slots, and here's the micro chip slot and the speakers. Dual SIM, which supports SIM 1, 2G, 3G and 4G, and SIM 2 supports only 2G. Okay, so okay, so here we start it. This is Lenovo A7000. These are the preloaded apps which I get in this cell phone. The display of this cell phone is really very good and bright, and the touch of this cell phone is really very smooth, I must say. And this is the processor of this cell phone is octa-core processor, 64-bit with MediaTek. And about the RAM and the internal memory, I just told you before. It's 2 GB RAM and internal memory is 8 GB with expandable up to 32 GB. Okay, if we talk about the camera of this cell phone, is it's 8 MP and 5 MP. Sound quality is really good, and sound quality, it's the Dolby Atmos. Okay, I want to tell you about the sensors of this cell phone which we are going to get in this cell phone. We are going to get the game rotation sensor, the light sensor, orientation sensor, proximity sensor, and gravity sensor, and the e-compass sensor, which is really good thing in this. And I think it's a really very paisa vasool phone. You are going to get mostly every new feature in this cell phone. And about the weight of the cell phone, I want to tell you, it's only 140 grams, so it is not very it's not very heavy. And it's preloaded with Android Lollipop with Vibe UI. And I think I have told you everything about the features of the cell phone. These are the preloaded apps. And if you go about the settings, and great. I think it's enough for today. And okay, so that's all for today, and we will talk it about in my next video. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.